Let's test your algebra skills with a fun puzzle. The question is, what is u if u plus v equals 60 and u minus v equals 8? Can you answer this in 3 seconds? 1, 2, 3. Okay, what do you think we should do? In just one step, all you have to do is to add both and say u plus v, let's put them in bracket, plus u minus v, and that gives 60 plus 8. Now, since we have u plus v plus u minus v, the v here cancel. Since this one has negative, the v here, v minus v becomes 0. So we are left with u plus u equals 68, and this gives 2u equals 68. So u will be equal to 34, and that's it. Just add them together and then solve. You get your answer. What if none of the equation has negative? For example, here we have x plus y and 2x plus y. What do? Are we still going to add? If there is no subtraction in the equations, then we subtract. That is, we say x plus y minus 2x plus y equals 15 minus 21. Or you can divide to turn them over and say 2x plus y minus x plus y equals 21 minus 15. That is if you don't like dealing with negative numbers. So then let's subtract. This becomes 2x plus y. Then this negative affects everything in the bracket. That means this becomes negative x, then negative y, and this becomes 21 minus 15 gives 6. Then let's solve further. Y here and then minus y. So we have 2x minus x. This gives x equals 6. So this is how to find x. But what if we were asked to find y? Once we know the value of x, you can just pick any of this equation and put the value of y in it, the value of x in it. Now, let's say we want to use this first equation. Since x is 6, we just say 6 plus y equals 15. That means y will be equal to 15 minus 6, and y is equal to 9. Now, let's check if we got the answer right. The first equation says x plus y equals 15. And since x is 6 and y is 9, so let's ask 6 plus y. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is what? That's 15. Correct. Let's check the second equation. The second equation says 2x plus y equals 21. So let's multiply x by 2. That gives 2 times 6. That's 12 plus 9. And that is 21. So correct. That means our answer is correct.